Madilim man. Madilim ang mata ko.
Madilim ang mata mo. Kaya nakakatara ka ba?
Kasi full ano itong...
Hindi man po na sila mga kuan kayo, mga istorya.
Mga marana.
Tuduan niya kanina English teacher man siya. Gani ko artista ka sa garan.
Pakit na tayo ng tsokolate.
ATV ito, ATV mo.
ATV yun, yung nasa baba kanina na ano natin.
Asa na yung karkat, tigtaman daan kong diri na dito.
May senior kaming dala, hilahin lang namin to.
Wala lang kayo mag-apat lang yung senior. Ulit taman ba kamagong.
Ayan.
Chocolate na ako, pwede makain. Wala ang chocolate yan, sir.
Yeah. That's part of the chocolate.
Parang wala lang yung inakyat niya yung bus. Kuyawa, oy.
Sina?
May pangan.
Ay,
Napagod ka? Hindi.
dahan-dahan lang man. Nandito na yung mga nandun sa bahay kanina. Ay, sa bahay. Sa...
Hanlao silang hawa ba?
Madali sabi na nga ba eh. Okay. Oh.
Alapit diri ang si Arner.
Ano yun, sa right side.
Ang dati person cut-cut. Ay, wala na diri namin, no? Let me see your picture.
Bakit? Hindi yung zipline. ATV. Ibigay ko pa yung ID. Ito talaga. Importante yung ID. Eh, yun na nga, paano? Nawala.
Wala anak man sir. Picture ito. Ate Ma, alika, picturean natin. Picturean tayo ni Hazel.
Dali.
Kanina yung ginagit na eh.
Wala, gutom na sila. Kain ka na. Yeah. Okay, thank you.
Happy coming to our beloved Philippines. This is born our pride home. Visitors, welcome to the home. Welcome to our dear native. This is the land of the golden sand. This is the home of the noble man. We wish you a happy coming to our
Ate Ma, hello. Ate Ma.
This is home, our pride home. Welcome to our dear native land. This is home, Lord of home. Welcome to our family. Mabuhay, ladies and gentlemen. Well, a blessed Sunday to you all. Well, it's a beautiful day here in Lobo. We welcome you to our humble home and to our Lobo Floating Restaurant. I am Danica, to your confidence, Lord. We will be entertaining you with our local, contemporary, and popular songs. And special days like birthdays and anniversaries, please let us know. And our captain for this trip is Pia Petito as we journey through the majestic down to the design place. And we will also have a big stop in the security process in the middle of our trip as we're about to witness the impeccable performance of locals showcasing their traditional Filipino songs and dances. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the scenic beauty of Lobo, a piece of heaven.
Diyan o, puro foreigner. Marami rin na.